Yeah guys, the bird hatching day 17. I know I already told you guys again that there wouldn't be any bird hatch here. So you guys can see this is leading right over there. I'm feeling sad for it. If I just take it near to that bird, can you see it? Hopefully you guys can. So look at this. I think already you guys can see that birdie. So look at that. Take it near and then, do you see that? Hopefully you guys see that. So it's pretty much hungry or thirsty. It's drinking from the bowl. I take it close. Yes, so it likes the bowl a lot. I don't think you guys can see it already. Yep, it's pecking it. So I pretty much left it there and it doesn't drink. I need to shake it up and then I just this and then I do this. See that the birdie is trying to get rid of it. Yeah, so yeah, that is not quite right. Like a bird hatch day 17. So yeah, this was kind of like a bird, baby bird, bites.